Okay, let's refine the trading strategy based on the M15 chart with the SMC, Smart Money Concepts, indicator you've provided. Analysis of the M15 chart with SMC indicator, SMC elements. The chart displays weak low and ECHOCH, likely change of character. These are key SMC concepts. Weak low indicates a potential area where smart money might have been buying or where liquidity resides. ECHOCH indicates a shift in market structure, signifying a possible change in trend. Price action. The price has made a strong move up from the weak low area. The price is currently consolidating around the 3,022.79 level. The price has broken above the 3,020 level. Implications. The SMC indicators suggest a potential bullish shift in the short term. The weak low acted as a support area, and the ECHOCH confirms a change in market character. The move up from the weak low indicates smart money may be involved in pushing price upwards. Refined trading strategy, incorporating SMC. 1. Bullish bias. The SMC indicators and price actions strongly suggest a short-term bullish bias. 2. Entry point. Confirmation entry. Wait for a confirmed break and hold above the 3,024.12 level. This confirms the bullish momentum. Look for a retest of the 3,024.12 level after the break for a safer entry. Look for increased volume on the break of the 3,024.12 level. 3. Stop loss SL. Place the stop loss below the weak low or a recent swing low. A stop loss around the 3,010 level provides a reasonable buffer. 4. Take profit TP. Set the initial take profit target at the next significant resistance level, which could be around the 3,030 level. If the price breaks above 3,030, consider targeting higher levels. 5. Risk management. Maintain strict risk management. Only risk a small percentage of your trading capital. Be aware of potential volatility. 6. Monitoring. Closely monitor the price action and volume. Pay attention to how the price reacts to key levels. Monitor for any signs of the change of character reversing. Summary of trade setup. Entry. Buy at 3,024.12 or above after confirmation or on a retest of that level. Stop loss 3,010. Take profit 3,030. Key considerations. The SMC indicators provide strong bullish signals. Volume confirmation is crucial. Be aware of potential reversals. Because the overall trend from higher timeframes is bearish, this trade is still considered high risk. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should conduct your own research before making any trading decisions.